Alright guys, today we're gonna make a brackets for gas struts. And these gas struts, this is actually not for Bluey. This is a VH Commodore Gas Strut. And I thought it would be cool if we can make a bracket and fit these gas struts onto a Bluey, 910 Bluebird. I think it's gonna be cool. We couldn't really find a gas struts for 910 Bluebird. If anyone knows where to get it, let me know. I'm kind of curious anyway. But these ones great because easy to get and it's not super expensive, and also it looks cool. If you see David's VH Commodore one, it looks actually, is it working well?
Perfect.
Perfect? Yeah.
Looks really good.
Yeah, so I thought it's gonna be a really cool project for us. But yeah, see how it goes. I'm thinking definitely need some sort of like a bracket.
Yeah, it's gonna need something.
Yeah, but if we manage to fit that, I think it will be cool. Finger crossed.
I didn't realise these would twist, which is really handy.
Oh yeah, so you can just adjust.
Yeah, we can turn it whichever way
Cool.
we want.
Alright, what are we thinking?
Well, the Commodore, they're side mounted.
Right.
So they bolt on like that, and you
Yep.
replace one of these bolts,
Yep.
and then this bolts down
On.
somewhere, like on the guard
Yep.
bolt. But I think we could make maybe a bracket coming off here,
Yep.
and then we've just got to see that when it shuts, there's room
For that.
underneath here for that.
Yeah.
That's probably the trickiest part, actually.
Yep. Alright, so what we're gonna do first, we're gonna close to see if there's any room for it. And
Shut.
yeah, make sure it's shut. I think there was a gap already. I can't remember. Let's close without first.
Yeah.
Try again.
Did that grow, did it?
Yeah. Damn it. So apparently on the VH, it was on here. So we're gonna try exact the same and hopefully it doesn't touch. It doesn't touch, which is good. That's what we want.
That looks great.
Yeah. Yeah.
Do you want to have something that comes off here
Yeah.
so that you're not drilling holes in the bonnet,
Yeah.
or do you just want to be free of those and drill and put nuts or something in?
Ideally, if I could use this holes,
Yeah,
would be nice.
I think. Yeah, and then it's just a matter of finding
The positions.
that.
I'm gonna draw this part first. And we're gonna go 100. This is a test pieces, so it's gonna be 3mm or 4mm thickness, and either aluminium or maybe steel, depending on how stiff, like how strong it's gonna be. Measurement here.
A few minutes later.
So this is gonna be a bonnet side. This side is gonna be a gas struts.
Got it drawn lined up with this one, so you can always put
That's right.
15mm there.
Yeah.
And just send it that way. You can always drill holes later too.
Yeah. Seems working.
Yeah. You know what I'm thinking too, possibly. There and up, and maybe we've got to put a bit of rubber or something, but touching, that's going to be a lot stronger anyway, so.
Yep, looks okay.
See that back corner?
Oh, okay, alright. I should cut it.
Yeah, I can cut it.
Round 2. I think it's close, right? And I didn't really hear anything like it.
Yeah, I didn't use it. We'll see how it can come up.
Oh, looks good.
This obviously will stay there.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. Honestly, like a struts.
Looks like
Perfect.
it's perfect.
Yeah. We bend the bracket, steel plate. It's perfectly fitting the line with the bonnet line. And I think the strength wise pretty good. So we are thinking probably aluminium. So that way we can machine because we got a CNC router. And then we gotta figure out this side as well. I think it's a bit.
A bit more?
Yeah, just touch a bit. A bit too much. I think that will do.
A few moments later.
I can't remember where we're up to, but I couldn't film because it's been rain for a couple of days. But we made a bracket and tested, and so right now it's working. But I feel like we can do better. If I close, you see it's not too bad, but I can see a little bit of gap. We don't know where exactly hitting, but we think, I don't know if you can see it, this inside nut might touch into one of this rail. So we decided to move a little bit of whole plate. So we're just using a file close to the panel as much as we can, and see if this rail itself is gonna go up, so that way when it's close it doesn't hit this one. That's our plan anyway. Maybe I got a little suspicious about this little hook. That might be.
Look on there too.
It's hard to see, but
This one's different completely, look.
that's because side panel is different. So there's a little creep thing.
I reckon it's got to be knocked down anyway.
Passenger side,
Now this is original, yeah?
I believe so. And this side, as you can see, you see old paint came off. This little bracket thing, yeah, it hasn't knocked down or anything. So we might test that.
Tap it down.
Yeah, and see if it actually fits better. So we bent this little hook. I think that's perfect.
If you just did tap that down, I know we don't want to, but
Yeah,
just
to see. Should we file a little bit more?
let's have another file.
Yeah, okay.
Because we know that's not destructible.
Yeah. Yeah, so we managed to move a little bit, a couple mil off. Sounds good.
We can't go anymore.
No, we can't.
Later we could tap that down.
Yeah, I think we should try. I definitely think this not either this is still touches on here. We can't do much anymore.
I was actually thinking the only place you could get clearance is if this guy. I don't think we're going to get much higher.
I'm happy to tap a little bit and see if that's better. Or is this gonna be better or worse? Find out. But to make it work, and what we so far we can't think of anything else. Do you guys have any tips, or if you ever done it before, please let us know. Good news is I think we fixed it. Have a look here.
There. It's a beautiful gap there.
Did you just fix it?
Yeah, much better. See, that's actually going right in there at the moment. Let's see if you can see.
Oh, here I can see the scratch mark. All right, let's see.
Now I want to straighten this out.
Yeah, go for it. I think. Yeah, that's I think fixed.
Right.
Yay!
More holding shit.